In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can open up the interaction menu here in GTA 5 Online, no matter what platform you're on. We're going to be going over every single one of these, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to open up the interaction menu, the button is obviously going to depend on that platform. If you are on PC, essentially just go ahead and press M, and it's going to open up that interaction menu, and you could scroll through it. On PS4 or PS5, go ahead and press and hold on that touchpad, and it'll open up the interaction menu. If you're on Xbox One and Xbox Series X or S, essentially just go ahead and press and hold the view or select button. On PS3, press and hold the select button, and on Xbox 360, press and hold the back button. Whenever you do have this interaction menu open, you'll find a ton of useful options for GTA Online, such as the quick GPS to quickly navigate on the map, manage your personal vehicles and service vehicles, as well as even buy health and ammo directly from the menu. It's super convenient. You can also adjust your appearance, check challenges and collectibles, change your preferences like spawn location, start impromptu race, or even enable passive mode. This is the most important tool in GTA Online, so it's definitely worth getting familiar with. But that is it. That is how you can use the interaction menu here in GTA 5 Online. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.